State public health leaders have said repeatedly that their goal is to protect the most vulnerable Mainers from COVID-19. That includes young kids, especially those in childcare. Kids that young cannot get the COVID-19 vaccine, and the CDC says kids under age 2 should not wear a mask. That's why one childcare owner in South Portland is taking action as a small business and putting in a vaccine mandate of her own.
Ready, Odin?
The children look at you as mom and dad.
When you drop your kid off at childcare, you're trusting the staff to take care of them as well as you would.
And in order for children to flourish, they have to feel safe first.
Holly McLaughlin wants that care for her kids so much, she started her own childcare program in South Portland.
Do you want more Bob? August 30th is our first day of care for children.
Holly says 90% of families enrolled and on the wait list have asked one common question. Are the staff vaccinated against COVID-19?
Are kids safe with people who are unvaccinated? No. Are kids safer with people who are vaccinated, who wear masks? Yes. So for us, it just became company policy. It made common sense to us.
She requires any staff interacting with children to be masked and vaccinated. Public health leaders say even vaccinated people can carry the virus in their nose and mouth, potentially spreading it to kids who do not have the choice to get the shot or wear a mask.
That right now in the U.S., we're seeing more children hospitalized due to COVID than at any other time in this pandemic.
Public health leaders encourage staff and families to get vaccinated to protect the kids in childcare.
Those parents being unvaccinated are really providing a link to the disease, to that whole childcare.
Yay, Odin!
Holly says it was a no-brainer to require the vaccine for staff, the people playing the role of parents for the day.
Nothing says I love you like I'm going to do everything I can in my power to protect you.
Just to be clear, those kids in the video, those are Holly's kids. The childcare opens on August 30th. Maine's Office of Child and Family Services under DHHS says there's no plan at this point to issue a statewide mandate for childcare workers to get the vaccine. But a DHHS spokesperson did send us a statement saying they encourage staff to be vaccinated to protect the young kids who can't get the shot, and childcare licensing specialists are ready to answer questions that any facility staff have about access to vaccines. They also said that the Mills administration supports businesses' efforts to limit the spread of the virus and to exercise their right to require vaccination of staff.